Hi guys, welcome back to the Trust Effects. I'm Prasad, and in this video, I will be sharing swing trade analysis on NZDUSD. Without any further delay, let's get started. We'll jump on charts. Okay, guys. As you can see, one second. We'll okay. So as you guys can see, I have already initiated buys on the New Zealand dollar against US dollar. So why I have taken buys on this pair? There are some fundamental and technical reasons behind it. So as you guys can see, the daily chart, I have marked some key levels which has been respected several times in past and still I I believe that these levels are still getting respect and showing some bullishness in the New Zealand uh, NZD USD. So yeah, and like as you guys can see, this was a good key level which acted as support and resistance as well. So from from the downside, as we guys can see, price came up, rejected uh, a bit here, but broken this level, took some retest and gave a nice move from this level in January 2024. So again, price came back here, took all the liquidity over here, the buyers, and now price has consolidated a bit, which is a good thing for a trader who is looking for short to long term trades. So consolidation is must uh, if you are looking for a good setup or if you are looking to catch any high points, right, guys? So yeah, and again, if you look at 50 moving average, yeah, I have applied EMA, 50 EMA, which has been tested and showed some nice bullish candle, daily candle on 15 May, which was a good sign for price to continue the momentum. So yeah, and now why we didn't executed our trade here? Because I was looking for some confirmation, some bullish confirmation, right, guys? And yeah, so this was a good sign that broken the swing highs and coming back to retest over here. So already I have executed 50% of my position over here and set a buy limit over here because we have some major event tomorrow, which is major but not seems so major, right? So we have once again we jump on forex factory. We have official cash rate on the New Zealand official cash rate and RBNZ Reserve Bank of New Zealand monetary policy statement tomorrow, press conference, and yeah, and this other, yeah, we have FOMC meeting minutes too. So tomorrow means, yeah, today it's already 1 a.m. 22 May. Yeah, today's we have some key moment which can give us a little bit momentum in the New Zealand Australian dollar pair. So yeah, and if you look at the bank forecast, the overall sentiment on the New Zealand dollar, that as you guys can see, read here, the May Reserve Bank of New Zealand preview. Not enough reason to turn dovish. So yeah, the Central Bank of New Zealand is still quite hawkish on the economy, and they are like we can read here. We think rate projection will still signal no rate cut in 2024. So yeah, they are looking for no rate cut in 2024, which is a good sign for the New Zealand dollar. It might still strength or keep its momentum in the currency market. So yeah, and here we get it. Inflation remains too hot despite a slowing economy. The resilience in non-tradable inflation remains a key concern for the Reserve Bank of New Zealand. In the first quarter, it came in at 5.8% versus the Reserve Bank of New Zealand 5.3% forecast, right? So the headline rate was 4.0% only, slightly above the bank's 3.8 projection. Going forward, as the labor market starts to loosen, we expect a headline inflation to fall in the second quarter around 3.6% year on year. However, policymaker will be watch the development in non-tradable inflation more closely, where where there remains some upside risk. So here's we can understand the central bank, the New Zealand Reserve Bank was are quite concerned about the slowing economy and the labor market too. So the central bank is expecting inflation to drop around 3.6% year on year in Q2. So that will be a change in the trade sentiment till the inflation number comes out, inflation data comes out. So till then, as we guys can see the dollar index, which I'm not sure, but yeah, still I see some downside in the US dollar, but who knows? Anything can happen, right? But yeah, because I don't see any momentum in last 4 days. As you guys can see, the dollar hasn't shown some solid strength since how many days? 4 days, right? 4 to 6 days. So yeah, this might be a retest, a minor pullback, but from next week, dollar will start declining, I think. So on this anticipation, we have planned our buys on the 1 second. Have executed on this chart. So yeah. So yeah. If you guys are watching this video in the morning, so we have official cash rate and Reserve Bank of Monetary Policy in the morning itself. So yeah, you guys can plan the buys around this 0. 1 second. What's wrong with my mouse? Okay. So yeah, guys, 0.6, 0.60, 413 level. So yeah, and stop loss are at 0.60, 260 level. So yeah, fair trade, but let's see what happens. And I will keep posting the updates on Instagram. If you guys are new to the video, so you guys can check the check and subscribe the channel and join my Instagram page, right? So yeah, and yeah, this trade we posted in the last video. I posted. AUD USD swing buys, which is still running. So yeah, let's see where it goes. Once again, this big area. So guys, as you guys can see, this trade is still running and running for 40 45 hits. And once it we lock it. So yeah, this trade is running with zero drawdown. I executed this trade on 14th May, and yeah, and you guys can check previous video for the how I enter this trade with the trading plan and all the fundamentals plus technical. So yeah, so see you guys in next video. Till then, take care, and let's see where our trade goes, right? So yeah, it has been started going up. So and again, if you get some hawkish, yeah, if you some get hawkish monetary policy tomorrow in the morning by RBNZ, so we can see a nice spike in the NZD USD. And yeah, if the central bank shows some dovishness or shows some inflation concerns, yeah, price can hit our SL2. So yeah, and I think guys, if you are watching this video, so please understand that there is nothing perfect or what we see, what to say, perfect or 100% in the market, right? So all now what I am doing is I'm just trading or I'm trading with calculated risk and I'm just trading the probability, right? There is nothing 100% now. My market doesn't care. My analyst market doesn't care. My fundamental market doesn't care. My technicals too, right? So it's all about probability, and I have to accept it whether it's the trade goes in my favor or it hits my it take my SL. So win or lose, you have to accept. Otherwise, don't trade. Right? Trading is not for you. If you are not ready to take a loss, if you are not humble enough to take wins and keep repeating the process, so man, it's not for you, right? So any beginner who is watching this video must understand that this you have to respect this craft, this industry. It takes a lot of time to uh, come at the level where you actually make money, good, consistent money from trading, right? So yeah, guys, just focus on process. Never let the outcome ruins your process or your mentality, your financial situations, right? So yeah, let's end this video and we'll see you in next video. Till then, take care.